Welcome, my name is Russell Moore, and we're excited here to give you a quick tour of the new Adilas e-commerce as of 11/28/16. We add new features all the time, so this video is at that date, and we hope that you enjoy it. All right, let's just get started. What we're going to do is we're going to jump right into both the settings page and the e-commerce page. But let's first jump into the settings, as it's the best way to tell you everything that we have. So we're going to go over, click AFB settings, e-commerce settings, and we come on in, and here's all of our settings. So first of all, you can choose to show it on the web. You can show stock units or just general inventory items. We have tons of pictures to help you with training, and a lot of verbiage as well as training videos. You can show prices on stock units or on items or not. You can have a secure lockdown feature, which allows only customers that you've signed up and given login credentials to get in. We have tons of different options. Check quantity on hand, allow new customers, wholesale pricing, and all their details are on the side here for you to read about. Allow histories, so this just allows for your customers to see the invoices that they've already purchased, which we will see in just a little bit. Online bill pay, you can make special invoices within your system and then just call up the person or your friend that you want to give a special deal to, or even a customer that you want to give a special deal to, and just say log on to your e-commerce and go ahead and pay for it. We have display options, how many are shown per page as a default. Different display options to include. You can include different display options for your customers to select from. We have a bunch of different theme colors. I believe somewhere around 13. You get a little bit of SEO in here. You can just write a description about your e-commerce, and it will help with SEO searches. You can have helper display information, special tags for sales, so your items can have different tags on them that say how much is off and different things like that. We have different locations, so you can sell from just one of your locations, or you can pull from all of your locations and sell that way too. You have the options of creating passwords for your customers, so that they can change their password or only you can change their password, as well as login credentials. You can choose a generic salesperson to attribute things to. We have merchant processing as well as PayPal. You have shipping options. You can skip it. You can include it. We have based off a line item, so each item can have its own shipping costs. Or you can use a pricing matrix, which allows you to kind of be able to say, if you spend more than, we'll use the example over here, $35, you get the whole cart for free. And there's remember, there's lots of training on this, so don't take this as the end all be all of information. We're just trying to give you a quick tour of what we have here. But if you sell $0 to $12, your shipping cost is $3. And so we also have a flat rate. So you can have a flat rate for every single cart that comes through. The shipping is $10. Email departments. This is so that you can break apart if you're a larger company. So you can manage contact information to one email. You can send quotes to another email, and you can send invoices to yet another one. That way each department can kind of take care of its own stuff. So invoices, they can package it up, they can send it off. Quotes, they can go and talk to who they need to and then send out a bid or the rest of the quote. And then your PR or your customer contact information. And then you have tons of ways to edit messages. So like your invoice message, what do you want it to say? You have tons of options between quotes and orders, which is really the same thing, but it can have a different process. So you can do a quote for a business, or you may have a business that does orders. So you can you can purchase an order from us and we'll wrap it up and have it ready for you, so when you come to purchase it, it'll be ready. It just depends on how your company runs, but again, we have quotes, just lots and lots of stuff that can be edited. We have invoices and different invoice options. We have the rest of the whole site is also editable, so you get a whole bunch of options on your header, multiple links, a logo, social media icons, your contact information, Google Map, affiliate program. These other pictures are really cool. This is your default e-commerce issue. Sorry, not issue. Your default e-commerce image, so that it displays when you don't have an item that has an image. This will show up. This is also for your tab, so inside your e-commerce experience, it will look like it's your page and functioning on your site. And it has tons of footer options for you to use and to fix up. Again, more social media, a logo, some more links. You can have picture links at the bottom. And then we give a whole bunch of information on how to use categories within the system and items to utilize the e-commerce experience. Now, if that isn't already tons of information, we're going to hurry and go look at it really quickly. So we're going to go to the classic homepage. We're going to view web inventory. I'm going to click in, and this is the link that you'll use to send to. So some of our companies have used it. So smarttruckpro.com. This is the link right here that you'll stick in a button like this, and you'll click shop, and it will pull you in to see their inventory and whatnot. So let's go ahead and go back here for your quick tour. You are able to show stock units. So here's your stock units and your stock unit search. You can search per location. You can search off of make and model. You can search by descriptions and all sorts of really cool stuff. So we can go ahead and click in. We've got a trailer here. You can come through and you can look at the pictures. And all of this is stored within Adilas. So you have all these tabs for information. You can even upload videos. And so it's just really, really cool. It shows what location the stock unit's from. They can contact you for that stock unit and it will show up so they know, so you know what stock unit they're talking about. It shows multiple locations so they can find the one closest to them. Your logo, your social media, you can search for different things. So I'll hurry and search for hot tamales. And there you go. We've got hot tamales. This is an item. And you have all sorts of different options. You can have videos in your items. So let's go back and let's keep on taking our tour of this e-commerce. So stock units, pretty cool. Items, and you can turn one or the other off. So if you only sell stock units, you can turn off the items. If you only sell items, you can turn off the stock units, and so it's not there. You have all these different categories and category pictures. Let me hurry and show you the footer. So this is your footer, and it will have some information for you. Right here. All this is editable. All of this is dynamically filled by you. So we can come up here and we can click into a category. We'll click on candy, and you have tons of display options. But let's quickly just look over it. You have sales prices, 20% off, a pagination for all your items. You can click into one. You can look at the pictures. These also have, let's click on the Snickers. You can watch videos per one. So this is a Snickers commercial. For sake of time, we won't watch it. So let's go ahead and go back and let's go show you a display option just really quickly. So this one's really nice. So these are all responsive as well. So you can go ahead and change them and they'll shrink down to your phone size view. So there's your baby Ruth, and you can go down and see your Butterfingers and different things. This is the same as if you also did this for icon box. Go ahead and go down and you can see that they're all in their own little icon boxes. And as we switch it up, they switch accordingly. Just looks great, functions awesome. You have all these other displays. Let's go to mobile table. Mobile table is really cool. We'll search that category. So this one's really cool. You can filter items by the name, by price, by the description. And then the really cool feature about this one is not only can you search in here for the individual items and filter it that way, but you can also, it's ready for a mobile device in another way, in which you can just click and all the details are there. Okay, so that shows you a little bit about the menu options that you have there. You have your regular procedure. You can click on this. I add it to my cart. You have an affiliate program that you can do either by URL or coupon code. You can continue shopping. You can start a quote. You can do an order, or you can check out. So we'll hurry and do an order. Again, it makes a quote. It makes a quote, but it's just a different process. So instead of saying, let's make a quote, you can say, let's purchase an order. And we jump on into our account, which every person can change their account information. You can place your order. And then you can even view your order, which is a nice new snazzy invoice look for us. Okay. And then we'll come here and trying to think of what else we want to show you. We'll come into the candy section again, and we're going to go ahead and add some things. We're going to go for bulk though. So we're going to do mobile table bulk. And I want to add 10 of these, 10 of these, and 10 of these. Let's go ahead and add those to our cart. They've added to the cart. Let's go ahead and check out. Continue with checkout. This is where you can choose your shipping information, or if you have multiple shipping things, you can choose one or the other one or add a new one. We come on down, we review our order, and then we make a payment. So it's got all the stuff that you need in your e-commerce, and it works seamlessly with Adilas. And so it's really, really powerful in that way. I also want to show you the options within each person so they can make a payment. That's that online bill pay I was talking about. Let's go ahead and click in here, and we can see that you can use your merchant processor or PayPal to use this online billing function. But these are previous invoices that I have outstanding, and I can pay for them right here on this e-commerce system. But let's go back up and check out some more stuff. So we're going to click on my account. We can sign out, continue shopping with our cart. I can edit my details, make a payment like I showed you. I can show you invoice history and quote and order history. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And these are all my previous invoices. And so I can click on one and I can see it, and yeah, and it looks great, looks nice. I can go back, and instead of looking at my invoices, I can check out quotes, and I can search by dates as well. I can filter by amounts. So here's my largest quote, and I can go down and see what I have. I have just a bunch of Butterfingers, 300. It shows all the rest of your details and whatnot, and even shows your affiliate program working. So anyways, thank you for being with us on this tour. We hope that you like it. Please contact us and we'll give you a demo. We know that we can't explain everybody's needs in this video, but we wanted to just show you how it looks, how it feels, and that the whole thing can function straight off of Adilas instead of having multiple systems that you have to work with. Anyways, thank you for watching, and we hope to see you later. Bye.